Unlocking the meaning of "this suggests that." Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that often pops up in English conversations, writing, and presentations. This suggests that. Understanding this phrase is crucial for both comprehension and expression in English. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and the nuances that come with it, ensuring you can confidently apply it in your own communications. This suggests that is a phrase used to indicate that the information or evidence at hand implies or points to a certain conclusion, without stating it directly. It's a way to express an inference or interpretation based on the available data or observations. This phrase helps in making connections between facts and the conclusions drawn from those facts, often used to present a reasoned argument or to suggest a hypothesis. To truly grasp the use of "this suggests that," let's look at some examples. 1. After a scientific experiment. The increase in temperature suggests that the chemical reaction speeds up under heat. 2. In literary analysis, the character's hesitation suggests that he is conflicted about his decision. 3. In everyday conversation, the absence of her name on the list suggests that she didn't apply for the position. These examples show how the phrase can bridge the gap between an observation and a logical conclusion drawn from that observation. Using "this suggests that" is particularly effective when you want to make a subtle point. It allows you to propose an idea without asserting it as an absolute fact. Introduce an argument. It's a gentle way to start presenting your evidence before making a stronger claim. Analyze or interpret. Whether in academic writing, business reports, or personal reflections, it helps you present your interpretation of the data or events. Remember, the strength of "this suggests that" lies in its ability to propose a connection or conclusion that is logical and supported by evidence, yet open to further discussion or investigation. To add variety to your language, consider using synonyms or variations of the phrase. Here are a few examples. This implies that. This indicates that. This leads us to believe that. This points to the possibility that. Each of these alternatives can be used to slightly adjust the tone or strength of your inference, making your communication both rich and precise. We hope this exploration of "this suggests that" enhances your understanding of how to use this phrase effectively in your English communications. Whether you're writing an essay, engaging in a discussion, or simply reflecting on your observations, remembering the implications and subtleties of this phrase will undoubtedly enrich your expression. Keep practicing, and soon, suggesting inferences in English will become second nature to you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content soon.